On the School Watch this morning, last week, the Medford School District was told that staff might be able to receive vaccine doses, but it was later updated that vaccines for K-12 staff are unlikely.
In addition to what the district superintendent is calling disappointing, some families and staff still have some concerns when it comes to reopening schools. I was able to get a look at what the school district's plans are for the future.
Medford School District Superintendent Dr. Brett Champion says Medford schools have spent hours with local health officials to plan how vaccines would be distributed to educators.
All the Jackson County school districts are willing to do anything in our power to use trucks and buses and space and people to move the vaccine forward.
She says a survey sent out to educators and other staff members resulted in 72% of people saying they would be willing to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Dr. Champion says this was more than other local schools, and logistics are squared away for the COVID-19 vaccine in the future. A separate survey went out to families and staff regarding their comfort when it comes to reopening. Dr. Champion found most people are comfortable with few concerns.
About 20% of our families said they were not comfortable with going into buildings. And again, that's just a first blush response that we've gotten from families. We'll need to dive in whenever we know exactly what our plans are.
Dr. Champion says once the district's plans are announced, parents will have options.
For our younger grades, we're hoping that it will be a lot of in-class time for our kids. As you get older, probably more of a hybrid version.
According to Dr. Champion, families who opt for something other than hybrid learning would enroll students in the Medford Online Academy. He says options like this are what complicate reopening schools, but the district is working on organizing the necessary details to move K-12 learning forward. Reporting in Medford, Tyler Ridgell, Newswatch 12.